Hey all, welcome to Unleash Dance. Today's topic is feet clap leap. So I'm just going to say that one more time so that you can understand what we're going to do in this video. Feet clap leap. Basically, we clap with our feet and we leaping in the air. Right? So I'm going to teach you step-by-step progression and make sure you understand each step because each step leads to the final product. Right? So, step 1, I'm going to go on my right side and on my right leg, that's slightly my strongest side. You can choose to do it on the left as well. So, I keep my right leg up and you want to make sure that your body is in line. So, it doesn't have to be like a 90-degree thing. It has to be diagonal like this because the jump is diagonal. So, from the head to the heel is one diagonal line. Right? Now, what you want to do is keeping the leg there, try and reach the legs together. It's okay if you can't clap, try to get them together. Yeah? You'll be able to clap the feet once you have the preparation and the footwork, which I will touch upon later. Right? So from here, try to touch. Yeah? So be very, very mindful that you don't do this. That is a whole different move on its own. This is a more, it's like a giant grand leap. Alright? So again, just try to get them as close as possible. Yeah? And if you can clap them, nothing like it. Alright? So that is the last step. I'm going to take you through the footwork, the preparation. So you're going to take 2 steps. You're going to take right and left. On the left leg, you're going to take off into the jump. Alright? So, right leg, left leg. Now when you jump with your right leg extended and that diagonal line that we spoke about. Right? Alright, more leg. Stepping right, stepping left. Cool. Now as you can probably piece together by now, the step that we learned when you clap the feet is added to this piece. So basically you take a step, and alright, you have to make sure that your body is diagonally reaching. What you could do is sort of, if you have the footwork correctly, you can take more than 2 steps to get like a good run up into it, but 2 is sufficient. Alright, so you can use your hands for some power and make sure you land on the left leg again. So it's right, left, land on the left. Right? You can end here and you can go into some other movements. Alright? So, then, cool. You can maybe try, if you've gone through the previous videos, I've also touched upon front tumble. So from here, a front tumble is a great direction. Yeah? So you can try, you can do any move. I'm just suggesting one of the moves which help the momentum. Alright? So just make sure that you get the clap right with extended legs and take a good run up. Like even when you're stepping, don't like walk into it. You want to sort of run into it. Yeah? Making sure the body is back. Cool. So that is your feet clap leap. So as I mentioned, go through each step, perfect each step, and then go for the final leap. Alright? Keep practicing. All the best.